Are you thinking about buying Builderall for your landing page needs? Before you make that decision, there are a few important things you need to know. Let's dive in and see how Builderall stacks up against its competitors. First off, Builderall offers an all-in-one platform for digital marketing. From landing pages to email marketing, it promises to be a comprehensive solution. However, if you're only looking for a landing page builder, you might want to compare it to more specialized tools like Unbounce or Lead Pages, which focus purely on optimizing landing pages. Builderall may feel a bit overkill if you're only after one specific feature. Next thing, Builderall has a steep learning curve. While it has a ton of features, they can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. If you're used to simple drag and drop builders like Wix or Squarespace, you might find Builderall's interface more complex and less intuitive. The third thing to consider is speed. While Builderall does give you access to a lot of tools, the performance of landing pages can sometimes lag behind the competition. Platforms like Lead Pages and InstaPage are known for fast loading times, which is critical when it comes to conversion rates. Speed can directly impact your bottom line, so keep that in mind. Moving on, let's talk about the templates. Builderall has a solid range of templates, but they're not as modern or visually appealing as the options from other platforms like Thrive Architect or Elementor. If design matters to you, you might want to explore other tools that focus more on customization and aesthetics. Another thing, Builderall comes with email marketing tools, which is a nice bonus, but they're not as robust as what you'll find with dedicated email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. If email automation is a key part of your strategy, you might want to invest in a more powerful solution to complement your landing page builder. Next, Builderall's customer support is something to consider. While it does offer 24/7 support, the response times can be inconsistent. This is something that users often find frustrating when compared to other platforms like Wix or Shopify, where customer service tends to be faster and more reliable. The seventh thing you should know is about the pricing. Builderall offers a range of pricing tiers, but its plans can be a bit confusing. If you don't need all the features it offers, you might end up paying for services you don't use, whereas other platforms like Lead Pages or Unbounce have clearer, more straightforward pricing. Another key point is the integrations. Builderall does integrate with several popular third-party apps, but it's not as seamless as some of its competitors. Tools like ClickFunnels or ConvertKit provide much smoother integrations with other services that you may already use, like CRMs or e-commerce platforms. The ninth thing to note is the A/B testing feature. Builderall does offer A/B testing, but it's not as advanced as other platforms like InstaPage or Unbounce. If you rely heavily on testing different landing page versions to optimize conversions, you might want to consider something more specialized. Next, let's talk about mobile responsiveness. While Builderall's landing pages do adapt to mobile, some users report that the mobile design can require more tweaking than other platforms like Lead Pages or Wix, which automatically adjust designs without a lot of manual adjustments. Another thing to keep in mind is Builderall's SEO capabilities. While it does have SEO tools built in, they're not as advanced as what you'll get with platforms like WordPress combined with plugins like Yoast. SEO optimization is crucial for long-term success, so if that's a major priority, Builderall might not be your best bet. Lastly, Builderall has a large community of users and a ton of tutorials, which can be helpful if you're looking to learn how to use the platform. However, the lack of a focused support community or professional consulting services can leave you stuck if you encounter specific issues. In conclusion, Builderall is a good all-in-one platform with a range of features, but it's not perfect for everyone. If you're looking for a more specialized landing page builder with better speed, design options, and simplicity, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.